Hi, I'm Jill Budgell, author of Pip's Phonics. I'd like to tell you about an exciting new phonics resource for teaching the reading, writing and pronunciation of English. It's especially written for children whose native language is not English. Let me tell you about some of the key features of Pip's Phonics. It uses systematic synthetic phonics, and in that we teach not just the 26 letters of the alphabet, but actually the 44 sounds of English. We don't teach them in alphabetical order, we actually teach them in a prescribed sequence. This is so that children can learn sounds and then immediately learn how to use them for both reading and writing. So, for example, the first 4 sounds in Pip's Phonics are S, I, T, P. And as soon as the children know those 4 sounds, we show them how to read words such as it or sit. And when we teach them how to blend those sounds, we do it like this. S, I, T, S, I, T, S, I, T, sit. And when we teach them how to write the word sit, we say, listen, S, I, T. Which letter do we write for S? Which letter do we write for I? Which letter do we write for T? S, I, T, sit. And we've written the word. The other thing you'll notice about that is that we actually are saying the sounds in a very pure way. So we don't say S and we don't say S with an on the end. We try to say S. And there's lots of guidance for you in Pip's Phonics about how to say the sounds, all the different sounds, in this way. It's very important. Finally, we also teach both capital letter formation and lowercase letter formation, so children know how to write the letters correctly. Let me tell you a little bit about the Teacher's Resource Book, which offers lots of support for your lesson planning. We offer step-by-step guidance within a lesson, and we offer 5 sessions per letter sound, should you wish to use it in that way. But there's lots of flexibility, and if that doesn't suit your teaching or your timetable, then you can use it in any different ways that suit you best. Within each lesson, we offer support for saying, hearing, reading and writing the letter sound. And after we've introduced a set of letters, then there's a consolidation lesson too, so the children can really embed their learning and have lots of practice in different activities. In the Teacher's Resource Book, we flag up key areas of difficulty for Spanish speakers, and this helps you to help the children with those really tricky sounds. So what other components are there in Pip's Phonics? Well, apart from the Teacher's Resource Book and the Student's Book, there's a wealth of other resources that you can use in any way that best suits you and your class. One of my favourites is the jingles. These are presented for each letter sound in 4 different ways. So there's lots of opportunity for children to hear and to practice pronunciation of each of the letter sounds in words. They're bound to have favourites which you can revisit over and over again. The other important aspect are the stickers and the pop-outs, which offer really rich multi-sensory activities which the children will really enjoy completing. And finally, the reading books are an essential part of Pip's Phonics. Phonics is not an end in itself, but is really all about giving children the skills they need to read independently and with confidence. The stories will be very familiar, they feature the key characters of Pip's Phonics, and again are bound to be great favourites with the children, and we hope you enjoy using them. So now I've told you all about Pip's Phonics and its exciting resources and interactive activities. All of these resources are pulled together in the amazing iBook, which you can use on your interactive whiteboard. It will not only motivate and engage your children, but offer you the opportunity to demonstrate and model the skills the children need to then go on and work independently in the student's book. On the iBook, you'll find full audio support, as well as a grapheme guide to reinforce the letter formation and a pronunciation guide to again reinforce how to say those sounds very purely. We hope you find Pips Phonics useful, and above all, we hope you have lots of fun using it in your classroom.